How to turn off Google Safe Search on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search familylink.google.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure you're in the parent option. After you're in the parent account, you can simply safe search for your child's account. If not, what you can do is open a new tab and simply search google.com/safe search. And here, click on off. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to turn off Google Safe Search on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.